Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. We'll be discussing exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, as well as the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Now, today until June 30th, TipRanks is celebrating their birthday by offering you 20% off premium subscriptions. So if you've been considering upgrading to unlock some of the amazing TipRanks tools, make sure you check out the link down below to take advantage of that sale. All right, now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed so far this morning. We have the Dow futures down 0.09%, while the S&P 500 futures are up 0.04%, and NASDAQ futures up the most at 0.22%. Bitcoin has had quite the rally this weekend. They're up over 12% from lows of 30,000 on Saturday, now up above 34,000. And this comes amid some big crackdowns from the UK's financial watchdog, as Binance, which is a global Bitcoin exchange, has been banned from doing any regulated business within the country. But in other, more positive Bitcoin news, Mexican billionaire Ricardo Pliego said that he endorses Bitcoin and that his bank is working to be the first in Mexico to accept the cryptocurrency. Tesla has released a software update that is said to address the safety issue that led to a product recall in China. The update addresses a problem linked to the cruise control system in its vehicles in China, where an investigation found that the system could be activated accidentally and lead to the vehicle accelerating unexpectedly. The safety software update targets more than 285,000 Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicles produced between December 2019 and June 2021. More than 90% of those vehicles were manufactured at Tesla's China plant in Shanghai. The update will fix the problem without requiring drivers to go to a dealer. Tesla always has the analysts quite divided and does come in as a hold currently, with an average downside of nearly 6%. All of the ratings from this last week are a buy, ranging between 28 to 48% upside. Rockwell Automation, who is a provider of industrial automation and digital transformation, has inked a deal to purchase PAYX Systems for $2.22 billion. PAYX Systems is a leading subscription-based smart manufacturing platform that helps customers connect, automate, track, and analyze their operations and connected supply chains. The company has over 700 customers and manages more than 8 billion transactions per day. The deal will be immediately accretive to Rockwell's operating margins and is expected to fast-track the achievement of its annual recurring revenue goal by approximately 2 years. Their CEO said that this acquisition will accelerate our strategy to bring the connected enterprise to life, driving faster time to value for our customers. Their stock does currently come in as a hold with an average downside of about 7.5%. The most recent rating from today is a buy with an upside of nearly 8%. Amazon's cloud unit, Amazon Web Services, is strengthening its messaging capabilities with the acquisition of Wickr. Wickr is a company that develops secure end-to-end encrypted communication technology. With the acquisition, AWS users will gain access to advanced security features not in use in traditional messaging and communication services. The technology should be of great use to security-conscious businesses and government agencies given the encryptions in use. Currently, the public sector uses Wickr offerings to securely communicate with office-based employees and provide a tactical edge on encrypted communications. The Amazon stock boasts unanimous buy ratings from analysts with an upside potential of over 25%. Acumen has agreed to acquire Alliance Healthcare Services at an enterprise valuation of $820 million. Acumen provides freestanding outpatient radiology services. Alliance provides radiology and oncology solutions to hospitals, health systems, as well as physician groups. The move is expected to create a comprehensive radiology and oncology solutions provider in the U.S. with pro forma revenues of over $730 million. The transaction is expected to close in the third quarter. With just 2 analyst ratings, the Acumen stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 39%. The largest capital provider to the multifamily industry in the U.S., Walker & Dunlop, has acquired TapCap in a bid to expand their small balance lending. TapCap's platform offers real-time quote data for commercial real estate debt, which streamlines the process of loan application and origination. This in turn improves the experience of borrowers. The acquisition is expected to accelerate growth in Walker & Dunlop's lending verticals. Adding TapTech's technology will make their lending processes more transparent, efficient, and scalable, and accelerate their growth towards $5 billion. They also just have 2 analyst ratings coming in as a moderate buy with an average upside just shy of 30%. Now, moving over to notable earnings reports. Starting off with CarMax, who delivered blowout Q1 results. This was driven by a substantial demand for used autos and exceptional performance by the company's growing omni-channel business model. For the first quarter, their net earnings stood at $2.63 per share, which was up 3 cents year over year and easily surpassed the street's estimates of $1.63 per share. Their net sales climbed 138% to $7.7 billion, again easily beating the analyst estimates of $6.24 billion. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 15%. Also reporting strong quarterly results was PAYX. The human capital management solutions provider had adjusted earnings per share that grew 18% year over year to 72 cents and coming in ahead of analyst estimates of 67 cents. Their total revenue rose 12% year over year to $1.03 billion, again surpassing analyst expectations of $980.48 million. Analysts are a bit more mixed on this one as it does come in as a hold with an average downside of about 4%. This morning is very quiet on the earnings front. In the after hours, we're expecting to hear from Herman Miller, High Tide, and LiveX Live Media. So let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Intellia Therapeutics. Trading under the ticker NTLA, they're currently up 56%. They're followed by Marin Software Incorporated, who was a big gainer last week under the ticker MRIN. They're up 40%. And Beam Therapeutics, under the ticker BEAM, they're currently up over 21%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Greenland Technologies. They trade under the ticker GTEC, currently down over 12%, followed by Exelixis under EXEL, down over 10%, and Trevena under TRVN, who's currently down about 8.6%. So that is everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button, say good morning, leave your thoughts in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to check out the link below if you're looking for 20% off a TipRanks premium subscription. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.